Welcome to this lecture. We are now looking at the advantages and disadvantages of division of labor and specialization. So the first one, advantage is increased efficiency. We mentioned it before in our previous video. So we want to look at the idea that division of labor allows workers to focus on specific tasks, leading to increased efficiency as they become much more skilled and proficient in their assigned role, because you're looking at them being able to gain a particular skill which makes them more valuable, and that allows them to become much more valuable assets of an organization. So when you have much more skilled labor, which means the production process is always going to be efficient. And when you're efficient in production, this is this will increase productivity. Then we have higher productivity, as I mentioned. Specialization, as you know, often results in higher productivity as individual organizations concentrate on tasks where they have a competitive advantage, whereby you have an advantage over the other organization, leading to faster production process, because you'll be able to done a task much faster than the other companies. Look at Amazon; they'll be able to deliver goods much more faster than uh, a Alibaba, with other online companies that are available. But right now, Amazon is a much more known company in terms of higher productivity, because they've concentrated on have individuals with higher skills who are contributing to higher productivity, which means that they now have a competitive advantage over other companies. Then we have economies of scale. Economies of scale is very important because once an organization achieves economies of scale, these are the benefits that we get from being a large organization. So division of labor allows us to be able to have large scale production, leading to economies of scale, because this will result in cost saving per unit production cost decrease with higher output. Because if we can reduce our production per unit, cost per unit, then production cost per unit, that should decrease. That will lead to higher output. Once we can able to do that, we are able to increase output. Because you're looking at the pictures that we have here, we're having here whereby the economies of scale, whereby we are looking at you carrying a particular good for $2 per unit. But once you're now getting 50, it's now $50 per unit. Then once you're now getting 100, it's now $1 per unit. You need bigger is often cheaper. That's the idea of economies of scale. Because if you are small, you can't be able to achieve economies of scale. Then we also have other examples here. The examples of internal economies of scale mentioned there. You can read it on your own and see how other examples economies of scale are talking about. Then we have time saving. We talk about time being as valuable as money, because if you take a long time as an organization produce something, that often causes a problem. Because we're looking at workers that save time by concentrating on specific tasks. They reduce the time spent on transition between activities and overall output. They're simply saying that if you have workers that knows what they have to do and how they're going to do it well, that's all linked to time saving, which is very important. Then we have quality improvement, because quality becomes something that is very important, that differentiates you from your own competitors. So if you can be able to be specialized on the idea to achieve high quality in the product and service that we offer, so we need to be able to have focus on the knowledge and expertise in their respective areas that allows them to become a yardstick of quality. That's why consumers will be able to choose you over the other competitor once you are specialized in doing what you're doing and you're doing it well. Then we have innovation in technology advancement. We're looking at specialization often encourage innovation, because when specialize someone become concentrated on one thing, and that one thing when he does it well, his duty is to make sure that he does it better from one stage to another, which means he's not supposed to be using the same technology that we're using in the previous year to do a particular task. We need you to continue to be innovative, moving forward. This is all coming as a result of you just focusing on doing one task. So we're looking at developing new technologies in individual organizations aim to improve efficiency in their specialized fields. Look at right now, there are organizations which brought about the ChatGPT AI system that is being used right now, that is making work much more easier, improving efficiency, giving individuals or organizations solutions to real problems that they're facing in organization. This is coming as a result of specializing on a particular task and looking at how we can encourage innovation and development.